Today, I'm going to show you this GROC feature that's absolutely insane. It takes any messy photo and fixes it in seconds. No Photoshop, no design skills, nothing. I'm talking room makeovers, Instagram upgrades, even product photos. This is brand new, this is easy, and it's going to blow your mind. Let's get into it. I gave GROC a messy room photo. It turned it into a clean, aesthetic room in 10 seconds. No editing, no apps, just one prompt. And the result looked like it came straight from Pinterest. This feature inside GROC can literally redesign your photos with one prompt, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it live on screen right now. Imagine taking any bad photo and instantly upgrading it using AI. That's exactly what GROC can do. And most people have no idea this even exists. So here's what this feature actually does. You upload an image, you give it a prompt, and GROC edits and transforms that image. That's it. 3 simple steps. Upload, prompt, result. Want to turn a messy room into a clean room? Done. Want to turn a normal room into a luxury setup? Done. Want to turn day into night? Done. Want to turn basic into aesthetic? Done. This saves you hours of editing. You don't need design skills, and it replaces tools like Photoshop for basic use and all those editing apps you've been using. No subscriptions, no complicated menus, no tutorials you have to watch for 3 hours. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Who should use this? Content creators, students, freelancers, social media users, anyone who wants better photos without spending hours learning how to edit. If you've ever looked at your photos and thought, this could be better, but I don't know how to fix it, this is for you. Now let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to do a live demo, screen recording, step by step, so you can see the full process. First, I upload an image. Let's say it's a messy room photo. Just drag it into GROC. Easy. No complicated import process, no file size limits you have to worry about. Just drag and drop. Second, I give it the first prompt. Something like, make this room clean and organized. Hit enter. Wait a few seconds and boom, the result comes back. The room is clean, the mess is gone, objects are organized. It's like magic, but it's just AI doing what AI does best. But here's where it gets crazy. You can enhance it even more. So I give it another prompt. Make it aesthetic, modern, and well lit. Hit enter again. And now the room looks completely different. Better lighting, modern vibes, Instagram ready, the colors pop, the shadows look natural. Everything just looks better, but we're not done yet. You can transform the style completely. Try prompts like turn this into a luxury interior or make it minimalist style. Each time, you get a totally different result. And if you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation tools like GROC, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to use AI tools like this one to transform your workflow, upgrade your content, and automate the boring stuff. You'll learn exactly how to implement tools like GROC into your daily process so you can work faster and get better results. Link is in the description. Now let's keep going. You can keep going too. Try make it cozy with warm lighting. Try add plants and natural elements. Try dark, moody aesthetic with dramatic shadows. Every single prompt gives you a new version, a new interpretation, a new possibility. And you can do this over and over until you find the perfect version. And here's the viral moment, the before versus after comparison. You put them side by side and people lose their minds because the difference is insane. The same room, the same photo, but completely transformed. That's the content that gets shared. That's the content that gets saved. That's the content that blows up. So let's talk about the high value use cases, because this isn't just a fun tool. You can actually use this in so many different ways. Ways that save you time, ways that improve your content, ways that help you stand out. Use case 1, room makeover visualization. You want to see how your room could look, but you don't want to hire an interior designer. Just upload your room photo, give it a prompt, and you can see different styles, different setups, different vibes. No designer needed. You can test ideas before you actually change anything in real life. Want to see if your bedroom would look good with a minimalist vibe? Upload it, prompt it, see the result. Want to test a bohemian style? Same process. You can try 10 different styles in 10 minutes. Use case 2. Instagram content upgrade. You have normal photos. They're okay, but they're not getting engagement. Upload them to GROC. Turn them into aesthetic posts. Better lighting, better colors, better vibe, and boom, better engagement. Your content looks professional without any editing skills. The photos that used to get 50 likes now get 500 because they look better, they stand out, they catch attention. Use case 3, freelancing and service work. You can offer photo enhancement services, AI redesign services, help people upgrade their content, transform their visuals, make their photos look better. This is something people actually need and want. Small businesses need better product photos. Real estate agents need better property photos. Influencers need better content, and you can help them. all using this one tool. Use case 4, real estate visuals. You have property photos, but they look basic. Maybe the room is messy, maybe the lighting is bad, maybe there's clutter everywhere. Upload them to GROC, clean them up, enhance them, make them look better. And now those property photos actually attract attention. People want to see properties that look good, and this helps you do that instantly. A messy bedroom becomes a clean, inviting space. A dark living room becomes bright and welcoming. A cluttered kitchen becomes organized and modern. Use case 5, product photo improvement. You're selling something online, but your product photos look basic. Upload them to GROC, make them look premium. Better background, better lighting, better aesthetic, and now your products look more attractive. Better visuals mean more interest, more clicks, more action. Your product that was sitting on a boring white background is now sitting in a beautiful, styled setting. Your item that had harsh shadows now has soft professional lighting. The difference is huge. Use case 6, social media branding. You want a consistent aesthetic across all your posts, but editing every single photo the same way takes forever. Upload your photos to GROC. Use the same style prompt on each one. Make it bright and airy with pastel tones, or make it dark and moody with high contrast. Whatever your brand vibe is, you can apply it to every photo in seconds. Consistency is key for social media growth, and this makes consistency easy. Use case 7, before and after content. People love transformation content. It performs insanely well. Take any photo, transform it with GROC, show the before and after, post it, watch it blow up. This works for rooms, outfits, products, spaces, anything visual. The transformation story is powerful, and GROC lets you create those transformations instantly. Now let me give you the advanced tips and power moves, because if you want to get the best results, you need to know how to prompt this thing correctly. Use detailed prompts. Don't just say make it better. Say clean, modern, soft lighting, minimalist style, white and beige tones, plants in the corner. The more specific you are, the better the result. The AI needs details to work with. Give it those details. Stack your improvements. Don't try to do everything in one shot. Start with clean, then enhance, then stylize. Each step makes it better. You're building up the quality layer by layer. And the final result is way better than if you tried to do it all at once. Think of it like building a house. You don't do everything at once. You do the foundation, then the walls, then the roof. Same concept here. So if you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation tools like GROC, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to use AI tools like this one to transform your workflow, upgrade your content, and automate the boring stuff. You'll learn exactly how to implement tools like GROC into your daily process so you can work faster and get better results. Link is in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. You'll see exactly how other people are using tools like this, what prompts they're using, what results they're getting, what strategies are working. This is the future of photo editing. Fast, easy, accessible, and it's available right now. So go use it, test it, play with it, see what you can create, because the results are insane. This isn't some complicated tool that takes weeks to learn. This is something you can start using today and see results immediately. And that's what makes it so powerful.